Easy Japanese. Give it a try.
Hi there! It's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun learning Japanese together. Today, we bring you Lesson 22, the first of 2 lessons on how to invite someone to do something with you. The main character of our skit is Tam, a student from Vietnam. She's traveling in Sapporo in Hokkaido with her friends, a photographer from China, Mia, and Kaito. They've arrived at the Snow Festival. Towering in front of them is a huge sculpture of a castle. The area is bustling with sightseers.
Listen to the skit for Lesson 22.
すごい。ダム、見て見て。ああ、大きいですね。初めて見ました。
どうやって作ったんだろう。
綺麗ですね。みんなで写真を撮りましょう。いいね。
Now, let's go over the skit line by line.
In front of the snow sculpture of a castle, Mia exclaims to Tam,
すごい。
This is amazing!
ダム、見て見て。
Look, Tam, look!
Tam is also impressed. She replies,
ああ、大きいですね。
Wow, it's huge!
初めて見ました。
This is the first time I've seen anything like this.
Looking up at the sculpture, Kaito says,
どうやって作ったんだろう。
I wonder how it's made.
Tam says,
綺麗ですね。
It's beautiful.
みんなで写真を撮りましょう。
Let's take a photo together.
Mia's all for it.
いいね。
Good idea. The Sapporo Snow Festival is held around February every year. It showcases a couple hundred sculptures made from snow and ice. Some rise as high as 15 meters.
Creating such huge sculptures from snow must be quite a challenge.
The team set up scaffolding and used cranes to pile up the snow. Then they shave each sculpture into its general shape, eventually refining the lines. The process takes several months from preparation to completion.
Now that's a sight worth seeing. Today's key phrase is, let's take a photo.
写真を撮りましょう。
Once you master the form of this phrase, you can invite someone to do something with you.
Here's the meaning of the words. 写真 means photo. 写真を撮りましょう means let's take a photo. Today's point. To invite someone to do something with you, replace the masu in the MASU-form of a verb with mashoo. In the key phrase, the verb in to take a photo, 写真を撮る, is toru. And the MASU-form of that is torimasu, which has become torimashoo.
Now listen and repeat out loud.
撮りましょう。写真を撮りましょう。写真を撮りましょう。
Could you say it well? Now, let's listen to a conversation in which a woman is making an invitation to a friend of hers in front of a store.
この店に入りましょう。
いいですね。
Here's what the conversation means.
この店に入りましょう。
Let's go in this store.
この店 means this store. And the particle ni that follows indicates the destination of the verb to go in, 入る.
いいですね。
Good idea.
The other person agrees. いい means good, remember? This at the end of a sentence makes it more polite. The ne that comes at the very end of the sentence shows agreement.
Now listen again and repeat out loud.
入りましょう。この店に入りましょう。
Okay, let's practice inviting people to do other things. Imagine you want to say, let's go to the clock tower, one of Sapporo's iconic sightseeing spots. Clock tower is
時計台。時計台。
to go.
行く。
In the MASU-form is
行きます。行きます。
give it a try.
時計台に行きましょう。時計台に行きましょう。
Next, let's say you've become tired from walking around. How would you say, let's rest for a while? A while is
ちょっと。ちょっと。
to rest, yasumu, in the masu form is
休みます。休みます。
go ahead and try.
ちょっと休みましょう。ちょっと休みましょう。
Got it? Today's bonus phrase is what Mia said when she saw the snow sculpture. Just one word, but so useful.
すごい。
Sugoi means amazing. You can say it when you're surprised, impressed, or moved.
Let's listen to how various people say it.
すごい。
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 Now it's your turn. Repeat out loud.
すごい。
Listen to today's skit once again.
すごい。ダム、見て見て。ああ、大きいですね。初めて見ました。
どうやって作ったんだろ
綺麗ですね。みんなで写真を撮りましょう。いいね。ミーヤーのトラベルガイド。
Time now for Mia's travel guide. Today we'll talk about Hokkaido, one of Japan's top tourist destinations.
Hokkaido is Japan's northernmost prefecture, a place of huge plains, wetlands, mystically beautiful lakes, and natural hot springs. Tourists flock there to enjoy the vast natural surroundings. Unlike other parts of the country, Hokkaido doesn't have an annual rainy season, and the summer is cool. That makes it even more popular.
So, Eriko, what are some of the good places to go to there?
Well, the lavender fields of Furano are very popular. In July, the huge hilly terrain blooms into a carpet of pale purple as far as the eye can see.
That must be beautiful.
It sure is. And countless wild animals like squirrels and foxes live freely in Shiretoko, a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site. Take a cruise tour and you might spot whales and even wild brown bears.
Wow. But what about winter? Because it must be freezing.
That's true. It snows a lot, and temperatures fall below 0 degrees Celsius in the midwinter. But that makes it possible to enjoy snow festivals and winter sports. If you visit the Asahiyama Zoo in the city of Asahikawa, you can see penguins taking a walk in line on the snow.
I'd line up to see that.
The food in Hokkaido is great too. We hope you can pay a visit yourself someday. We hope you enjoyed today's Easy Japanese.
Please tune in again.